NATO allies send Ukraine 17,000 anti-tank missiles in 6 days. In just 6 days, the United States and other NATO allies have supplied Ukraine with more than 17,000 anti-tank weapons, the New York Times reported Sunday. The shipments include the medium-range, US-made javelin, the Anglo-Swedish short-range NLAW, rocket-propelled grenades, and other anti-tank systems, according to the report. Similar ammunition was supplied to Ukraine before the war broke out, along with Bayraktar drones supplied by Turkey before and during the conflict. According to the New York Times, 70% of the $350 million military aid, approved by U.S. President Joe Biden, was delivered within 5 days in an attempt to get the weapons into Ukraine before Russian forces started attacking aid convoys. These arms shipments were largely shipped from Germany initially, and then were sent through Poland, Romania, and a few other neighboring countries before continuing over the Ukraine border to Kyiv and other major cities. Ukrainian leaders informed U.S. officials that the weapons shipments were making a difference on the battlefield, according to the Times. Reports have suggested that anti-tank missiles have helped the Ukrainian military stave off Russian advance north of Kyiv and in other regions. The question remains, however, if this would be enough to block the Russian military from capturing the capital, Kyiv.
Check your left, check your right again.
Back blast clear! Rocket!
Good job, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good
No
shot.
problem.
That was a good shot. Good shot. Thank you.
Go ahead. I'll go ahead and take it. Fun, son.
You can go in that bundle or in this truck? No, not that one, the far one.
Hey, give me that box.
Is there somebody out there that can use my camera? Right now we got the lamp.
Oh!